have three key people from the family of EduFocus. We have brother Arshad and we have sister. These people deal with the academics and specifically for the slow learners. How can we improve the slow learners? These three people are going to share certain important topics and certain methodologies by which we can help our slow learners grow. Over to you, brother Arshad.
So before starting, I just want to ask you a very interesting question. Very simple and very interesting question, and I just want to see who is the first person to answer the question. Are you ready? Sisters, are you ready?
Brothers
also. Yes, brothers, sisters, everyone. The question is, what happens when we sprinkle water on a hot pan? It evaporates immediately. Okay? Keep this in your mind. We will come to this question later. Before that, let us have some statistics, boring statistics. There is a foundation called Pratham Foundation who work on this, only this, reading and writing skills among students in India. How they are reading? They are not worried about percentage. They are not worried about how they are performing in the exams, in NEET, CET. They are worried only about how they are doing in their reading and writing skills. Last year, they did survey on 7 lakh school children. How many? 7 lakh school children. They did a survey to see how are children in reading and writing skills. You people are teachers, teaching. Something I am going to show you might be shocking to you or might not be. Just see. The survey name of the survey is ASER, Annual Status of Education Report. So see the survey here. Survey of 2022. Can you see the color here? Can you see the color? Blue color? This means nothing. The child knows nothing. Can you see this color? He can identify letters. Can you see this color? Identify words. This can read class 1 para of class 1 textbook. Now come to this bar. This is class 1 students. These are class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, class 6, class 7 and class 8. Now see here. In class 1, what is the color of blue? Nothing. Yes, nothing. How much? Too much, right? And till here, just see till here. What is the color of class 1 para? Only this much. You know what is the meaning of that? Only these many children on an average in whole of India can read and write. Meaning, see here, just 11% of children in class 1 can read. If there are 30 students, what is 11%?